Nan, Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Mark Conanan, for in Pampanga. We discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Burgos Guagua Pampanga, and we were invited by Taga Sam for their grand opening. As well as, of course, matikman po natin yung kanilang mga sinaserve na samgyeopsal dito.
So this is a samgyeopsal and buffet restaurant na another option for you to dine in.
Alright, so if you want to know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Alright, so coming in here guys, if you notice, ayan, so yung mga seats and tables natin, medyo elegante yung dating dito. Ayan, nasabi nga ni Mark kanina, this is an unlimited samgyeopsal and a buffet as well. So, punta tayo doon sa buffet table nila, kuha muna tayong pagkain, and then luto na natin samgyeopsal natin. Wow! Mark, what can you say about the place, bro?
So yung place napaka-cozy, at the same time napakaganda ng interior niya. So meron siyang mga graphics, ang ganda ng mga tables and chairs.
Yes.
At the same time, for sure, mabubusog ka dito.
And I gotta commend din, no? Pansin mo yung setup nila. Napakalinis nga ng tables and chairs. So that means, you know, particular talaga sila sa safety ng mga kumakain dito. Pag nagsasamgyeopsal tayo, lagi mong sinasabi, so isang factor nga is yung lugar. Kung malinis, kung presentable, o ganyan, no? Pag buffet guys, unlimited yan. So, until you drop, until na talagang mabusog ka, pwede kang balik-balik dun sa buffet table natin. Now, what I have on my table is meron tayong cordon bleu, and meron din tayong kimbap with chicken wings, and then meron din tayong adobong balot.
Wow! I heard that they are serving it every day.
Every day, yan. And congratulations din sa kanila kasi dito sa Plaza Burgos, dito sa Guagua, sila lang ang may restaurant na buffet. This is the only buffet dito sa Plaza Burgos, and you're looking for that kind of restaurant, yan, available po sila dito.
Speaking of their food, so their price starts at 329 pesos, which is yun yung unlimited pork samgyeopsal.
Okay.
Kung gusto mo naman mag-upgrade into beef, that is 399 pesos. Pork and beef na yun. And kung gusto mo na mag-buffet, only 449 pesos.
449 pesos.
Unlimited.
Unlimited. So sa price range nila, no, konti lang yung difference para sa akin. Now, go for the buffet kung talagang gusto mong mabusog, no?
Yes.
Now, on a daily basis, yung buffet nila could change yung mga menu dito. One thing's for sure, available lagi yung balot, which is yung lagi na hanap natin. And then, yung pandan salad natin dito, which is their dessert.
Talagang masusulit mo dito, lalo na ikaw yung nag-crave ng samgyeopsal and buffet.
Yeah.
Talagang the best pumunta dito, lalo na pag gutom ka na.
Yung samgy. So they have 3 flavors, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Meron tayong plain meat, yun yung is either pork or beef. Meron din tayong spicy, and yung kanilang soy garlic.
Alam mo Mark, all in all para sa akin, at the end of the day, yung pagkain nila dito is really kumaga acceptable, no?
Yes.
Gustong-gusto ko talaga dito na enjoy ako is yung kanilang cheese.
Yes.
Napakasarap na kanilang cheese.
So bagay na bagay sa kanilang samgy. Siguro at the same time sa mga ibang dishes din nila.
Yeah. Alright, cheers! So, congratulations G-Sam for opening up dito po sa Guagua, Pampanga.
And they are located dito sa may second floor ng La Moderna building, Plaza Burgos Guagua Pampanga. They were open from 11 a.m. until 7 p.m.
So guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and see you here.